Hello, welcome back to my next video on Vedic astrology. In this video I am going to talk about the Rahu column, which is a very inauspicious time, especially with regard to starting any journey, and in India most people do not use this time at all whenever it comes to Muhurta, any auspicious event or ceremony, anything, whatever it is always avoided during Rahu Kalam, though the main rule is usually only about beginning a long distance travel. So here what I have done is, you have I have created a column here on C, and using the format cells I have changed the time to this particular format, hour, minute and seconds, so you don't have to worry about AM, PM, and it is there right here. And the same with the same column E and F are also in the same time format. It's over here. So this is the actual place where the Rahu column is going to be generated by this Excel sheet, and you can see here the only two fields that you have to enter is the sunrise and sunset. The sunrise is entered again in hour, minute and second, and sunset in the same way. Once that is done, there is a field called day length here, and this day length is found by just subtracting C5 minus C4. So I'll go back here and change this to 6 o'clock sunrise. It usually happens around the equator area close to Singapore. So this is the normal sunrise sunset. In India, people always assume that the sunrise is at 6 o'clock and sunset is at 6 p.m. Sunrise is at 6 a.m. and sunset is at 6 p.m. So because of that, the day length is exactly 12 hours, and 1/8 part, each part is a Rahu column on a particular day. There is no first part of the 1/8 part, so you don't have any Rahu column between the sunrise as soon as the sun rises. So that's good news. So you only have it from the second part, which is Monday, and then Saturday is the third part, Friday is the fourth part, and Wednesday is the fifth, Thursday is the sixth part, and Tuesday is the seventh, and Sunday is the eighth part of the day length. So this is how you'll have to do it. So now let's go back to finding out how this has been done. The day length is calculated here, which is 12 hours, and divided by 8. You can see this formula here. I've used the plus C7 divided by 8, and you got the 1 hour and 30 minutes part. So the typical Rahu Kalam as practiced in India is Sunday 4:30 p.m. to 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. Monday 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. and Saturday 9 a.m. to 10:30. Now, if you are in US, or let's say in higher latitudes, the sunrise and the sunset times all change. You are aware of that already. So let's experiment with this. I just enter here 7 hours, and maybe the day length is short. So let's put 17 hours, 5 p.m. the sun sets. So the day length has narrowed down to 10 hours. So 1/8 part is no more 1 hour and 30 minutes, instead it's 1 hour and 15 minutes. So you get the altered Rahu column, and starting and ending over here. You can see that the 8th part on a Sunday is between 15:45 to 17, whereas in India it is usually between 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. So there is a big difference. You can see this over here. How we have done this here is, this particular F11 cell contains a formula where you can see the formula is, you can see here C8. I am using C8, which is the 1/8 part. So 1/8 part into D11, which is over here. Which part of the day? Which part of the 1/8 part? 8th part. So that is the D11, and then the last cell here is C4, which is added back to sunrise. So that's all you have to do here. So once that is done, the starting is always this cell minus this, and you get it over here. So you can see here F11 minus C8. I used the $C, the dollar function here for absolute referencing, so that when you copy the formula it doesn't change, it doesn't shift. That's why it is done. So here the actual formula is to repeat. The formula is very simple. How you get the ending of row column is take the 1/8 part and then multiply it by 8 and then add it back to sunrise, and you get it. From here minus the 1/8 part and you get the starting of the row column. If you are not used to Excel sheet, don't worry, this may appear very complex to you. All you have to do is just send an email to me, ekdilip@yahoo.com, with subject matter row column Excel sheet required. You just mention that, and one of my office staff would be glad to send this file to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sure you will have some questions about this. Whatever it is, please ask them in the comment section, and whenever I find the time, I'll answer them for you. But this is a very simple Excel sheet. You can actually do it. If you maybe you can ask your friend to help you out with this, and once you get this file, send it to as many people as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video.